Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor, and in today's video we are going to cover Joltify. This is a Cosmos project, this is a free airdrop, very easy to do, and they are doing a 40% of the supply for this airdrop or community growth. And they tell us exactly how you can get this airdrop. The airdrop distribution is also public. So we are going to cover, like always in my videos, a little bit about Joltify and how you can get this airdrop, which is actually amazing because, like I said, the tokenomics is clear and you will know exactly how the airdrop is going to be distributed. And all testnet members are going to get the airdrop, the same that Zealy, Galxe, and all the things that we are going to cover. So this is great and 100% transparent from Joltify, and the team is also known. So this is a very interesting airdrop for you to do, and again, it is free. Before we begin, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and without anything else, let's get into it. Hi crypto fans, well, this is a very powerful project on the Cosmos ecosystem. Time to time I cover some airdrop in Cosmos. I really like the ecosystem and I love the Cosmos technology. So in this opportunity I bring you Joltify. This is a chain and it's a groundbreaking platform that merges Wall Street with the blockchain, creating a disruptive and innovative financial ecosystem that revolutionizes traditional markets and propels us into the future of finance. It's a unique, custom-built, Cosmos-based blockchain technology that aims to bridge real-world assets to the decentralized finance world. It's designed to amalgamate the immense amount of liquidity in the crypto world to real-world financial assets, thus creating seamless synergies between DeFi and traditional finance world. And like I mentioned in the intro, they have a clear airdrop distribution. I put here the link for Twitter. But basically, the general tokenomics is that there's an 8% for the team, partnerships and marketing 12%, private and public sale 15%, the liquidity incentive is 20%, and community and ecosystem growth 45%. And I found that from that 45%, the airdrop is going to be distributed this way. You can see here on the official documentation, airdrop reward distribution. And it says that the airdrop will be distributed after the mainnet launch, and the distribution ratio for each role is as follows. Galxe and Zealy is going to be at 12% of the airdrops, Testnet contributor 8%, early adopter 8%, Luminary Jolter 10%, Vanguard Jolter 15%, Ambassador 7%, and all Testnet members 40%. So doing what you are going to see in this video, you have direct access for this 40%, for the Galxe and the Zealy 12%, and you are going to be a testnet contributor because you are using it, so I can understand that we are going to be part of that 8%. The early adopter, which is a Galxe thing, already finished, so we cannot get into this. And these are roles on Discord, so using in Discord you are going to be able to get into this. And if you want to apply as an ambassador, you also can do it. Down here everything is explained in detail. And testnet contributor, I was wrong. You can see that 8% is not for testing the app. That will be all testnet members only. That testnet contributor is if you open a ticket or suggest improvements or report bugs in the testnet, and if the issue is confirmed or the suggestion is adopted, you will be assigned to the testnet contributor role. Here was the link for the early adopter that finished it. Luminary Jolter, community level, you need to reach level 32 and at least have 5 successful invite trackers. Vanguard Jolter reached level 40 and 15 successful invites. And the ambassador, here is all the different things. So this is super clear and I'm really happy about this, the transparency. I think it's a great thing for this airdrop. The website is joltify.io. You can learn more about the technology and about how they plan to do this and what they are referring with that. You have even here a video that you can check on, and also how the bridge works and many other things. In terms of the community, 30,000 followers on Twitter. Here they have been in Australia already in the Aus CryptoCon, so you can check here information about the team. So this is 100% transparent. And there are a lot of things here on the Twitter to check. Regarding the Galxe Zealy role, you can see when you reach 1200 points of experience point on Galxe and Zealy, you can join and get the role for that, and you are already participating on that part of the airdrop. Now let's go to the step-by-step of this tutorial. Step 1, join the Discord. You are going to need it for many things. So here you have a link to the Discord. After you get that, then we are going to do to step 2, which is use the testnet. You need to connect with Keplr. I would recommend you Keplr. It's the most common and famous and works super fine for the Cosmos ecosystem. This is free, remember, so you don't need to spend any money. You need to connect your Keplr, and then you need to get 1000 in the Discord. So let's go to the testnet first, which is this URL, testnet2 joltify.io. So when you go there, you can see I am already logging in here, and you can see that I have here already a wallet of Joltify. You can see that starts saying Jolt and then the number. So in order to get this wallet, you just need to connect your Keplr here, and you will see that you have the wallet. Don't try to add the network or anything like that, like in MetaMask. Just don't need to do that. Just go here once you have your Keplr open. Click here to connect, and you will see here your address. After you have your address, you go to the Discord, and you have here the faucet. In the faucet, just paste here your wallet, and then you will see this message that say your user, and you got 2000 USDT, 2000 USDC, and some Jolt tokens here to apply. So this way you get the faucet. It's going to be almost immediately, only takes 1 minute. So after you get the faucet, you can come back here and we can continue using the testnet. So basically you can deposit, withdraw, you can borrow, lend, repay, claim, bid on the auction. So use everything that you can do here on the application. First, after you get already the tokens, you can see in the wallet I have these, which are the testnet tokens. So you can go here and you can click on deposit, you can supply. Of course, you are going to be confirming the transactions here. You can see your deposit successfully, and you can check here that this is happening on the testnet. So you can close this. You can also come here and do a withdraw. So you can withdraw 25%, let's say, or even less. Let's put just 300, and you can do a withdraw. And your withdrawal was successful, so everything works really fine. Let's deposit some USDC and some USDT too. So I already entered the supply there. Then you can borrow here, assets to borrow. Let's say that I want to borrow USDT. My limit here is 80%. I will put less than that, let's say 1000. You can borrow this. Approve. The borrow was successful. You can also came here and put the repay. So I will repay 100. Approve. So the repay was successful too. So we already did a couple of things there. You can claim here. That will be here your Jolt of your lending and borrowing. So you can claim, click here to claim if you want. Because just I did it, I didn't get too much, but you can claim this and you can get more. So the claiming was successful too. I have to say that everything works really good. You can go here to the action part, and this action is in progress. So I can click here and say I want to bid, and I will put a little bit more here. So let's say 7, and I will bid there. Click approve. So the bid was successful, and you can see now this is your bid. This one at 7 ends in 29 minutes. So you can use that too. You can swap here. Let's say that I want to change the tokens from another tokens. So I may want to move some Jolt into OPPY. So click submit. Approve. The swap was successful, so you can see now I have these tokens too. You can go to pools, you can enter some liquidity. For example, here the one that I just entered, let's say that I want to put here 50. Just click on deposit and I can enter into the swap pool. Click approve. Here you can see the details. Here you can close that. In proposals, you can also pass it and enter some of the proposals and use your voting power. You have validators here. This is a very interesting part about real assets, so you can go to investments and check that. I don't think this is working right now, but you may be able to invest maybe in this project. So this is really cool. So with that, you basically use it the testnet. Now you can give some testnet feedback in Discord. So go here to testnet feedback and you can put a screenshot and your wallet. And remember to try to open a ticket here in order to recommend something so you can participate on the testnet contributors airdrop too. After doing step 3, you can go and do step 4, which is get roles in the Discord. So you will need to interact there and try to chat. You have the general chat there. You have the Shiam. You can post a meme and many other things in order to get your level, as the documentation of the airdrop here says, for the different shelter roles. After doing all that, you have the step 5, which is get early adopter in Galxe. Like I mentioned, this already finished it. Just go to the campaigns on Galxe of Joltify. Use this in order to see that maybe there are another things that you can do. So go to Joltify and you can see this is already ended, but there are others that maybe are not ended. So check which ones you can still apply. Try to apply to get points. And the last one, the step 6, is go to the Zealy of Joltify. There are not many things to do. Just connect to Twitter. Then you have a daily and weekly connect. And you have some Discord things that will give you some points. So that will be all that you need to do in Zealy for now. Really easy. So like you can see, this airdrop is really easy to apply. Very important airdrop, very good project on Cosmos. And if they launch near the bull run that maybe is starting in a couple of months, you can get a very nice portion of this airdrop and in a very interesting project. And remember, the narrative for real assets on the tokenization world in crypto is going to be one of the big narratives. That is the first mission that BlackRock has mentioned since starting to be bullish on Bitcoin and crypto. And besides AI, gaming, that narrative, the tokenization of real world assets could be also one of the important narratives on the bull run. Remember to check my videos at cryptocurrencystate.net/videos. I have many other airdrops, free airdrops to apply, and many airdrop reviews and project reviews. And a couple of days ago I covered Garycoin. This is the first project with a centralized justice narrative where you can vote for the decisions to apply in the real world and be like the Robin Hood in crypto. So check this video on Garycoin. They are in the pre-sale and they have also a free airdrop where you can apply. So many great projects I have been covering, and the PIF network distribution token. If you participate in and using an AVM, you may be getting this token. So check that too. And remember guys, if you are new to this channel, to this video, I have a private Discord. The real magic happens in my private Discord, so I recommend you to go there. And also I have an application. I am a developer and I created this app that will help you to organize your airdrops and apply to them very easily. Joltify is already in my app, loaded as soon as I launched the video, so you can apply to the airdrop in a couple of clicks with one or multiple wallets. So if you want to farm the airdrop, you can do it. And then you will have a register of all the things that you did for that airdrop, and how to apply easily is super easy. Check this video in order to know more about my app. That will be all guys for Joltify. This is a Cosmos airdrop, free to do, super transparent on the airdrop. I hope you like it. Remember, before we leave, like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications. It's free for you and helps me a lot. I am celebrating my 20,000 followers on YouTube, and I did a giveaway of money in my private Discord. So it's not the first giveaway that I do. I try to do giveaways and give things to my community on Discord. So maybe you join, you pay my subscription, and maybe you get that money back in one of those giveaways. That would be all, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.